Situacija je bila takva da nije bilo baš jasno u zakonima može li nekakav istospolni par u Hrvatskoj posvojiti ili udomiti. Ako netko želi postati roditelj, bez obzira da li je ta osoba lezbijka, gej ili heteroseksualna, vidimo u našem članstvu da stvarno tu ljudi će učiniti sve što mogu kako bi se ostvarili kao roditelji.
We was two guys and we was talking about children. Maybe we want a family.
When I was 12, I got in touch with Child Protective Services, having to lock your door, lay under a bed, put on headphones, so you wouldn't hear your parents arguing. My caseworker from Child Protective Services asked me if I would feel okay with gay foster parents. And for me, that was never really a question. It wasn't weird.
I cry a bit first and then talk later.
They constantly provided some sort of care that I needed, or even though I didn't want it.
I think when you are not used to get love, it's not easy to say that you love some.
What if I did get adopted? Like, what would that mean for me? It would feel complete to actually have a family.
We was very happy. Very happy.
It was Friday evening at this girl club, only girls. And then on the dance floor I was like, oh. And then I had to dance a little bit closer. I knew I wanted to have a child sometime. And I knew that it was going to be us. And then it worked on the second time, so it was a very economical baby.
My friends had parents who drove them places, who did things with them. They went on vacations, they had dinners. I did all of that too. Really, objectively, the only difference is I did it with two men.
Sometimes there was someone who asked, because, you know, kindergarten children are so cute. Like, why do Sami doesn't yet have a father? Blah, blah, blah. And they're like, no, we're just two mothers. Okay. And then they just go on playing. So for them, it's just like, oh, it's a little bit different. Oh, okay. Why? Okay, we don't care.